Hi everybody, welcome to a new video. Today we're gonna show you how to open your AdSense account. So let me hope you already have a Gmail account. You must have a Gmail account to have an AdSense account, right? So after getting that, you have a Gmail login. So then I'm gonna go to google.com/AdSense then /start. Okay, then that's all. Then you say enter. Once you enter, it's gonna say get started. You click on that. Once you're here, then it's gonna ask you the website URL you want to use. I wanna use justcode.co.za. I'm gonna say okay. I'm gonna go for that. After that, I'm gonna copy that. Let me try something. Okay, say HTTPS. That's right. Make sure your website is HTTPS. I'm not saying they will reject that. Because of that, you never know. Okay, URL of your site, example. Let me delete that. Okay, HTTPS. Let me see. Please enter URL. Okay, for example, okay, it's gonna be okay, www.justcode.co.za. okay, then after, if the website is fine, justcode.co.za. after everything is fine, then you say they ask you your email address. You selected that email address. Then after that, should you help AdSense info at email address, get help AdSense info at that email address. I say yes. Customize help, whatever. Okay, say yes. Okay, after that, say save and continue. Okay, after saving and continue, it says this is the guy, and it says okay. I said you have indicated that you are willing to receive occasional what. Change this. No, I don't want to change that. It's fine. Please review our terms and conditions. Okay. Let me see. Change this. Okay. Let me see. Create account. Why it says that? Okay. Oh, select country. I'm gonna select country. Say South Africa. Okay, this is the country here. After selecting that country, then tells us these terms and conditions. You have to read them, and you say welcome to AdSense. Thank you for your interest in our search and advertising service. Okay, then it goes here. Number 2, say access to the services AdSense account. Your use of the services is subject to your creation and our approval of an AdSense account. An account, we have the right to refuse or limit your access to the services. In order to verify your account, from time to time we may ask for additional information from you, including but not limited to verification of your name, address. Okay, you are an individual, you represent that you are at least 18 years, whatever. Okay, they might ask you a lot of things, so you have to read this and read all the terms and conditions before they give you an account. Then say yes, then say create account. Understand? Okay, after when you're there, let's see what's gonna happen. Okay, right, it says ads may easy. It says we do the work so you don't have to automate ads on your site across all devices. Okay, we say okay, get started. Okay, now it says account type, individual, name and address. Okay, they want all this information before we go further. So I have to ask the client all this information before. So I'm gonna pause the video, then I get to the information, then I proceed. Yes guys, after putting all the information, it will say submit. Because it's something which is a little bit sensitive, I didn't want to show that. You capture everything on that form, then you say submit. After submitting, it's gonna say look, it's gonna say copy the code below, paste into the HTML between the heads and whatever, check the box and click done. When you finish, they say WordPress user with adding AdSense code. Okay, I'm gonna click on this. Why? Because we are using WordPress. So if you're using HTML, just copy this and put it there. So if you're using WordPress, it says connect to AdSense and show ads on your website. Okay, next, insert a code into your the MP version of your WordPress. Okay, to do that, okay, they're telling us connect to your WordPress site. If you're new to AdSense, of your first task is the connect of the site to AdSense. We highly recommend SiteKit. Okay, now that's good. We're gonna go to our website here and we say WP admin. So once we do that, we're gonna accept. We're gonna say admin. Let me see. Okay, I'm gonna log in. Wow, it kicks me out. Okay, let me get the password, then let me see. Let me try again. Okay, it kicks me out, which is okay. I'm gonna pause the video, get the passwords for you, then we see what's gonna happen. Right guys, I'm done with the login. Okay, they recommend what they call SiteKit. SiteKit is one of the one of the plugins which gonna make things easier for you. So what you do, you go to your plugins, click on plugins, then after clicking on plugins, then you're gonna talk about add new. Okay, we're gonna add a new plugin. So when we're there, we're gonna look for SiteKit. Okay, that's a plugin developed by Google. So remember, they said this is the one said by Google. So install. Once you finish the installation, let's see. Okay, after installation, you're gonna do what they call activation. You activate the plugin. Okay, after that, then you're gonna start. Okay, start setup. Okay, if it says that, so you have to allow sign in with Google account, which doesn't have to give me any trouble. Then after that, we're gonna use this. Okay, yes, this is gonna ask me for verification because I'm gonna pause and get the person give me the code because I'm doing for someone now. Then yeah, we can proceed. Okay, we managed to do that. We logged in and it gives us this and say allow. So you're gonna allow that. So you're giving permission to SiteKit to say proceed. Okay, you're giving permission to everything. SiteKit should be allowed to do its work. So when you're using WordPress, it's really simple because it's automated. It's gonna do that for you. SiteKit, you don't have to put in each and every page. So the plugin is gonna do its work. You only have to do watching and accept everything it asks you to do. Okay, we're done with that. Then say allow again. Whatever button it brings you, add to add site. Okay, it's okay. Click there. Okay, click there. Go to my dashboard. I wanna go to dashboard now. Okay, you can see now I'm on dashboard. What is connected? Connect AdSense account. So we connected Search Console, and we have to connect AdSense. So let's see if we can get AdSense connected, because that's what brought us here. So it's gonna give us another thing to log in again, and it might ask us for something again to verify. Allow. Let me allow. Okay, tells me to allow. I allow. Okay. Okay. After then I say error. Add client did not found. Add client not found. Okay, we say okay. Okay, let's try to do this. It's gonna take time. Remember here they gave us they say if you're using Word they recommend this and this. Okay, connect your WordPress site. You say if you are new to AdSense, whatever, they recommend Google Site Kit, and can connect your WordPress site to your site account and place the AdSense code to on all your pages for you, so you can show ads automatically across whatever. What is Site Kit? They talk about Site Kit here. You get me? A free open source plugin. So what we're trying to do here is to do things, automated things. We don't need to be stressed by getting codes one by one and put it into the thing. But remember, those guys who are using HTML. Okay, let me see where we are. Those guys who are using HTML, you just go here and copy this code, then you put it between into your all pages you want, where you want the things to be shown. You get me? So so you see I have pasted the code. That's what it tells me, but I haven't done that anyway. So let's wait and see here. It's still trying to get some, it's taking some time here, but no stress. Let's wait. Let me pause the video a bit so that you don't waste your time here. Yeah, basically the application is done. Only what we need to do is to integrate, to put those codes inside your thing. So we're trying to use SiteKit, but it's trying to be a little bit slow, but those are the steps we've done. To you who are not willing to use SiteKit, what you do, go to your headers page, copy the code they gave us, then you paste here. You can see here I put a comment saying AdSense Azania, then I put that small line here. So then I saved the page. So I'm gonna tell Google I'm done with that procedure. You get me? Also, AdSense Kit is gonna do its own job. If it doesn't finish its problem, but myself, I'm done that side. So what I'm gonna tell Google here, I'm gonna say I have copied the code and I'm saying done. Okay, looking for the code on your site. Okay, it said code was found. You can see why the codes were found, because I did paste it manually, because SiteKit was taking what? A little bit of some time. So after that I'm gonna say got it, and yeah, we are reviewing your site. This usually takes a few days, but in some cases it can take up to 2 weeks. You get me? We will notify you when verifying everything is ready, right? So we're done with that. So you're gonna wait for 2 weeks and see. Sometimes it can happen before 2 weeks, then the account is verified. So that's what we're looking for, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. You can see AdSense is working 100%. If SiteKit is taking time, what you do, copy the codes as you've seen, then you post them in your header page. You get me? So don't forget to subscribe, guys. And this is Azania Tutorials. See you in the next video.